What is 0.8% as a fraction in simplest form? So look, we can rewrite this 0.8% as percent means 1 over 100. Now multiply 1 times 0.8 means 0.8 divided by 100. Look, 10, 100, these are called power of tens. 10 to the power 2 means 100. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just move the decimal from right to left, equal number of zeros in the power of 10. 2 zeros, so decimal point will move 2 places, placeholder 0. So decimal 008. So this is the decimal form. Now we need to convert to fraction. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, consider 10. We have 3 digits, so write 310, of course, as a multiplication. These 2 0 don't have any value. Now you need to reduce this fraction. So you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. So this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. We are getting 4, we are getting 5. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, we are getting 2, we are getting 5. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So basically you are getting 1 over 5 times 5, 25, 25 times 5, 5 times 5, 25, 5 carry to the next column, 5 times 2, 10, 12, 125. The common factor between 1 and 125 is just 1, so we can say that this is the lowest term reduced form or simplest form.